Okay, so we do a little porting on this. I'm gonna knock off these high spots here. So you got these little sharp edges in here from when they were machined. So we're just gonna radius these in real quick, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Just makes it easier for the air to flow around the corner. Cold out here. Well, I don't think it's heat in here. Oh yeah, that's hot. Here now. Okay, so we just did the bottom here real quick. Nothing fancy. Just knock out the high spots. Knock out all the spotted here that we're going to get rid of that. Now this side here you can see where it's not been done yet. See all the high spots are still in there. So we made them go away. So that's the difference between ported and non-ported. So it only takes a couple minutes to do it. We're not doing anything real fancy. We're just knocking off the high edge. We're not trying to reinvent the wheel over here. Now this here is not quite as low, as much of a high spot here as this one right here. It's got a lot higher of a spot right in here. It's a little bit more grinding on this one. And we'll knock this one out too. I'm just using a standard, this is a radius tree shape is what they call this. So that's what they call it. Okay, let's see here. You can't see much from this angle, but oh well. Get a little bit like that. At some point you'll see something. Flip around this way. See more. Cold. Yeah, see it now. It's like holding onto an ice cube. It's hard to feel the porting when your fingers are numb. There's the finished one. That's blown up a lot. So everything's nice and radiused in there now. So the air goes in this direction here. It'll go right around that turn right there pretty good. The floor is all smoothed out too, so it can go either direction relatively easily. So we knocked out a lot of it. This side here looks good, but the air doesn't flow this way, but you can see more of the radius I put in here in this direction here. But this is the direction it actually goes, is lying like that. So anyway, that's how you do that. So I'm gonna go surface it real quick on the table over here, make sure this is flat, and we'll clean it up, we'll be good to go. Do that. Okay, we got the motor here, we're gonna put the heads on it. So I got all the gaskets are all laid up on here. Got the push rod corks right here we're gonna use. Okay. These are oil lines. This one's all bent to hell, so I'm gonna have to work on this a little bit. The seals are like new, but we got new ones. That was almost new. Look at it.
What's that?
See how new that one looks? It's all torn to hell.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this thing is all twisted to hell. Semi-pointed in the right direction, not really. Now they're almost going the same direction. Screwdriver's too fat. Push the cork out, the rubber out. They didn't replace this one.
Fucked up, yeah.
The other one they replaced, but not that one. They probably couldn't get it out. they didn't have the trick. Okay. That line's pretty beat up. Good thing it's got rubber on it. It'll seal. Okay. Where's the other one? What do they do with it?
Well, the other line?
Yeah, out of my sight somewhere.
Yeah, it's here somewhere. Did you put it in this box maybe?
It shouldn't be. Got lost here. I knew I had it someplace.
Mm-hmm.
These ones look brand new. I'll keep these two. Alright, so got extra ones of these. Got a lot of extra O-rings and seals to go back with you. Some of these might even fit your bike. Most of them don't though. Okay, push back covers. So, these are pretty new. We got more new ones. Ooh, they don't fit though. So they don't fit in the cover. Fighting back. So you got to take these and grind these to make them fit inside the cover, so the cover will work. That's too much work. I'm gonna put the old one back on because there's nothing wrong with the old one. Except it doesn't fit, just like the other one the ones were. See how it's all bound up in there? Alright. These don't fit.
Issues?
Yep. Corks don't fit, covers. Where'd you buy all these parts from?
Tatro machine.
Yeah, I heard about that guy. You better watch out for that guy. He's shifty, I heard. I heard he throws everything around the shop too.
You really can't find shit.
That's right. That's the same problem. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll get some corks that actually fit in these covers. You got some of those floating around?
They gotta be here somewhere. Probably some stuff you threw away earlier.
Yeah, that'll do it. Yep, that probably would happen. That's how they keep extra ones.
Better ones?
Different. Different. Yeah, these ones fit.
Well, better than.
Good for this application.
Only if you want them to fit. Looks like I even got 4 of the same kind in here.
Bonus.
Now if they only go up the cover here. The tube. That's a tight squeeze, don't want to go. And then we got the same problem again. They don't fit. These tubes are just really small OD is the problem. Alright, we'll go find some other ones. Okay, I got some different corks here, but they're still too damn big. These are older ones, so a little bit harder, so easier to grind. So now I'm going to just grind these things down until this cover will go over it. These early covers are real small diameter, they're not like the later ones, so these corks don't fit anymore. So these go like that, just rotate them on here, and make them what you need. they loosened up and started sliding, it worked a lot better. They would actually spin against the disc and be more round. Okay, so now they fit. So now I'll clean this off and we'll do this thing together.